A lot of people have a misconception about what spirituality is. Today I wanted to help you understand how tarot helps in the spiritual journey. Spirituality is the journey about discovering oneself. It is about understanding our role in the divine plan and how best we can carry out this role in peace and harmony. Spirituality is the path taken to find our way back home to what we would call the divine or God or love. In the words of Swami Vivekananda, spirituality is the science of the soul. Tarot is an ancient art of divination which originated in Europe. It is essentially a pack of cards with pictures and images on them which give us a glimpse into our spiritual journey. It is the practice of receiving divine guidance and wisdom. Because it's a tool that helps us develop our intuition and receive divine wisdom, it gives us a glimpse into our spiritual journey and how we can use this wisdom in our daily life and put it into practicality. Tarot is used as a guide on our spiritual journey, as it not only helps us see the problems and give us solutions, but it also helps us understand the messages that we might receive through our intuition. The cards pick up on the main energy that surrounds us at a given point in time and helps us get a better understanding of the problems that we face on a day-to-day basis and why we face these problems. It helps us gain perspective and direction in problem solving and look at things from a different angle that we weren't even thinking of. It helps us ease our pain as it shows us the bigger picture. Tarot gives us the knowledge to change those areas that are within our control and to accept those that are not within our control, and the wisdom to know the difference. For more videos on spirituality and tarot, please like, share and subscribe. Love and light.